A day in the life of a couple traveler, we hiked to Canopy Walk, one of the most breathtaking view in El Nido, Palawan. Safe naman ang mag-hike doon dahil merong safety harness at the end of the viewing deck, El Nido Bay. The cliffs, the boats, the houses, it's really amazing. Kaya nasa taas kayo and overviewing, grabe. Yung experiences mo, hindi mo talaga matatawaran na. When you heading out, you pass Spiderweb. Ito yung first time kong umakyat sa mga matataas na di ko sukat akalain na magagawa ko. Pagdating ko sa taas naman, feed off. Sobrang ganda. Kayo rin, punta kayo. So you, my love, thank you so much for taking me always. I love you.